Okay, now can you tell me cost price? Sorry, what is cost price, students? Cost price, what is selling price? Yes, respond all of you. Can you see the screen? When you buy something, you call cost price. When you sell, it is selling price. Next, what is profit? When you sell it for more or less? More. So SP should be more, right? SP minus CP. Loss is equals to CP minus SP. Next. Very good. Profit or gain is the same, students. Gain. Next. Gain percent. How do you find gain? Yes. Gain percent is equals to gain by CP into 100. Next. Loss percent is loss by into 100. Very good. Next. Now, cost price and selling price. For cost price and selling price, do you have a direct formula? Till now, we don't have any direct formula, right? We didn't study direct formula. Now look here. Whenever gain percent is given, students, when gain percent is given, the formula for selling price is equals to 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. Okay. When loss percent value is given, loss percent. So to find the direct selling price, remember this, to find direct selling price, 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost price. Next, when gain percent is given, when gain percent and selling price is given, they'll give you gain percent and selling price. Then to find the cost price, it is 100 divided by just the opposite of this. You'll get SP here. Look here. 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent. Can you see the difference? These two, numerator and denominator is changed, right? And when loss percent is given, students, when loss percent is given, cost price is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus loss, 100 minus L percent into selling price. Yes, be quick, make a note of this. Just a minute, I'll check the questions. Yes. Make a note of these four formulas. These are the direct formulas when gain percent and loss percent is given. Is Simon online? Okay, you sent a message. Fine. Remember this, students, for selling price, 100 plus gain is written in the numerator. 100 gain cost price. For loss, subtracted, minus. For cost price, 100 plus gain is written in the denominator. Be quick, just go through this and start solving. Done? Shall we start solving? All of you completed? Okay, first question. Look, let me solve only two questions. Remaining, you'll have to do it. Look at the first question. What do we need to find? Find selling price. And what is the value given? Cost price is equals to 7,640. Gain percent is equals to. Yes, Alia, I've seen you using different formula. Use this one, Alia. This is easy. Okay. Look, students, selling price is what they've asked. Gain, cost price is what they've given. We don't know gain. For selling price, what's the formula? 100 plus gain or 100 minus? 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into, yes, just substitute 100 plus. What is gain percent? 15 divided by 7640. That's it. Don't use other formulas, students. I've seen you all writing some other formulas. You'll definitely get confused. Complete this 115 divided by 100. Then you can reduce it. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Use 5 times table, 2 times table to reduce. Yes, multiply 23 into 382. 8,070. Okay. Fine. Till here, did you understand? All of you all completed? Yes. Yeah, if you multiply this, you'll get the answer, students. After that, just multiply. Let me check. 8,786, right? 8,786. And the units are rupees, right? Rupees symbol like this. Fine. Look, I'll tell you the difference. In this question, what is given? Gain percent is given or gain is given? Percent. Whenever gain percent is given, use this formula. Look at the next question. Sometimes they might give gain. If gain is given, what's the formula for gain, students? Gain is equals to SP minus C. So don't get confused with the formulas. Understand and do it. When gain percent is given, if you want to find selling price like this, if just gain is given, use gain formula. We have a direct formula for gain. So gain is 50, selling price is not given. minus 7640. How do you find selling price from this? Which one goes to the other side? Yes, respond. Which one goes to the other side? Yes. So it becomes 50 plus 7640. Is it clear? Understood all of you? 7690. So definitely selling price will be more. If it is gain, selling price is more. Okay, so don't get confused with the formulas and keep practicing. This is the answer 8786. Okay, next one mixed fraction question. Look at the last one, first main last one. We need to find selling price. What is cost price? 2625. And what is gain percent? 16.2 by 3. No, we'll do one loss question, students. We'll do one loss. First main third question. Let us solve first main third. Cost price is equals to rupees 720. We need to find selling price. What is loss given? Convert into fraction. If you convert, what do you get? 8 fours are 32 plus 3. 35 divided by what? 4%. Okay, we need to find selling price. What is selling price if loss is given? Do you add or subtract? We need to subtract, yes. Remember, in numerator, it comes in the numerator. So look here. Selling price is equals to, Alia, tell me the formula, Alia. Unmute the call. What's the formula to find selling price? Giving all wrong formulas. Just now I gave you the formula. When cost price is given, loss is given. What's the formula? You're not concentrating, Alia. I don't know what is wrong. You want to leave the meeting? Leave the class? Then why are you giving wrong answers? What is wrong? Just now I taught you, right? What is selling price formula? 100 minus loss divided by 100 into TP. Then why are you giving wrong answers? I asked whether everyone completed, right? You told yes. Okay, tell me the calculation, Alia. Tell me this calculation. 100 minus. No, 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 no. You're giving some irrelevant answer. We are doing this question. What are you answering? SP is equals to 100 minus. What should I write in place of loss? Divided by 35 divided by 4 divided by 100 into what is cost price? 720. Now, can you see there are two values here? So you need to take LCM, right? Yeah, take LCM. What do you get? LCM is 4. How many times you have to multiply? Into 4. 4 into 100 is 400 minus divided by, okay, into 720. Which question you were solving? This one or the previous? Okay, okay, fine. You should tell me step by step. I thought you're telling some other answer. Okay, tell me this. What happens to 4? What happens to this 4 earlier? This 4? No, no, no. It goes to the denominator, not other side. Look here. 4 divided by 3 divided by 4. How many denominators are there? In numerator, do you have a denominator? In numerator, 4 divided by 3, we have 3, right? That should go to the denominator earlier. It should become like this. Okay. I'm asking questions because I've seen you writing. You are writing in a different method. That's the reason I'm asking you questions. Right? Okay. Tell me this 400 minus 300 will remain as it is. 400 minus 35. This 400 gets divided, right? Now subtract, complete the question, students. All of you complete it now. Very good. 720. How many zeros gets cancelled? 1. Cancel using 5 times and 2 times. Okay. First you explain, Alia. You explain, then later you can do it. Okay. Until you get it right. Because I've seen you and Shasha are using different formula, different calculation. Okay. Complete it. Next tell us, Shasha. Do the same, students. Take LCM, cross multiply. 5 8s are 5. Okay, 8 ones are 8 nines are good. 73 into 9 is 657. Good. All of you got 657? Okay, now just cross check, students. See, you all will understand the concept now. What is cost price? 720. And what is selling price we got? 657. Is it loss or gain? It's loss, right? That's the reason it is loss percent. So instead of giving loss, they've directly given loss percentage. Use this formula. Now it makes sense. Cost price was 720. We had a loss. That's the reason it is 657. Okay, now next. What next question? Yes, Alia, tell me the formula when cost price is given. What do you need to find here, Alia? Second main. Second main. Second main. Third question. What do we need to find? Okay. Tell me the third question. What is given? Okay. Okay. If you convert that into fraction, very good. 25 by 4%. Now tell me the formula for cost price when gain percent is given. When gain percent is given, check what did I give? 100 divided by hmm, into SP. Very good. Tell me the value 100 divided by 100 plus what is gain? 25 by 4 into 1. Okay. Where do you take LCM? Numerator or denominator? Numerator is 100. Do we need, is LCM required? Yes, denominator, right? 100 remains as it is. How do you take LCM? What's the LCM you get? See, if you are getting confused, students, where do we take numerator? Can all of you answer? Where do you take LCM, numerator or denominator? Which one has fraction? Yeah, which one has fraction? Denominator part, right? So do one thing, take this entire thing in working column. Don't get confused. Look, take it in working column. Is it possible to add directly 100 plus 25, 125 divided by 4? Is it correct? No. That's the reason you take LCM. This is what I asked. Now take LCM. What's the LCM we get? 4? Yes. So 400 and what do you get? 425 divided by 4. Is it clear? All of you understood after taking LCM? How we got 425? Now let me write 425 divided by 4. How many denominators do we have? How many denominators are there? There are 2, right? So what happens to this 4? Earlier you have to convert this 4, you have to shift it to the numerator. Fine? It becomes 100 into 4 divided by 425 into 1478. Is it clear, all of you? Did you understand? Okay. Complete this. If you'll go wrong in this, you'll get 0 students. Remember, this one single part is where your marks, your calculation matters. If you get this right, this part, this yellow box, other things will be correct. So take LCM, shift 4, complete this question. And whoever does this, I want you all to try first main last question. Decimal is given, first main last one. Sorry, second main last one. Let me minimize. Complete this and try the second main last question. This question. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Second main, I've marked it. Shasha, can you see that I've ticked it? Okay. This one's to me, this question. Look, the one which I've ticked, first complete this question. Complete this and try the next one. Loss percent is given, so you have to minus it. You have to minus it. Is students done? Completed? Is all of you done or still doing it? Done? Both the questions completed? Okay, what's the answer for this? After reducing, what did you get? All of you got 1392? Okay, look here. Let me reduce it, students. Shall I try the next one? All of you completed, right? Be quick. Okay, look here. 5. How many times 5 goes in 100? 5 into 20. Then 5 into 80? 85 times. Then 5 into 17? 5 into 4. So we have 4 into 4 divided by 17 into 1497. Then which timetable do I need to use? 17 ones are. You have to check in 1749, students. How many times does it go? Let me check. 1479 divided by 17. 87. 87 into 4 fours are 16. 1392. All of you got 1392? Okay, do properly, students. Calculate properly. Take your time and solve. This is 1392. Next question. Next, tell me the fourth one. What is given? You need to find cost price when selling price is how much? 611.80 and loss is equals to 8%. What's the formula for cost price? 100 divided by 100 minus or plus for loss? Minus. So I'll write it directly. 100 minus 8 into, yes. If I remove the decimal, how should I write? 611.8. If I remove the decimal, what is 100 minus 8, students? 100 minus 8 is 92. If I remove the decimal, how can I write this? 611. Yes, 61180 by 100. 61180 by 100. Which one? Which 100? Both the hundreds can I cancel? They get cancelled. Yeah, use 2 times table and you can reduce this. Let me check. Once you reduce everything, what's the answer you got? Yes, what's the answer, students? Are you getting in mixed fraction? If not, let's reduce this. How many times 2 goes? 61180 divided by 92. How many times 2 goes in 92? 2 into 46. Then here, 2 threes are 6. How do you divide? See, all of you know this calculation. If you divide, how do you get? 2 threes are? What do you get? 2 threes are 6. How many numbers you bring down? For division, you bring one number at a time. Okay, Alia, are you concentrating? Others, Shasha, Taima. Okay, bring this one, students. Bring one. Is 2 divisible by 1? So then you have to bring second number, right? This calculation is important. If you want to bring second number, you have to add 1, 0. Then you can bring down the second number. Don't directly bring second number. Look at 61180. 6 2 threes are 6. Don't bring down this 11. Don't bring directly 11. This is wrong. Add a 0 and bring two numbers. Then 2 fives are 10. 1. Bring 8. How many times 2 goes in 8? 9. 2 nines are 18. What is left? What is left? Just add the 0 top. How many times 2 goes? 3590 times. Next, 2 into 23. And 2 into here, 2 ones are 2, carry 1. 5, 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 5. Right? Very good. Exactly. 15295. Then 23 is not divisible. We don't know about 23 times table. So try solving it like this. It's a lengthy question, students, so do it properly. 23, how many times 23 goes? 5 times, right? Or 6 times. Is it 138? 23 into 6? Yes. What's the remainder? 14. Bring this 9 down. 63 goes how many times? Again? 6. 1. What do you get? 138. Remainder 1 and 1. Bring this 5. 63 into 5 times. 5 threes are 15. 5 twos are 10. Okay, 11. Did you get 665? 665. Then why was this calculator wrong calculation? 61180 divided by 92. Correct. 665 is the answer, students. All of you got 665? Very good. Very good. That's counts. Now, till here, it was very easy question. Till here. But look at this. The next one. Even the next one is easy. But you should know how to solve this. You should be able to understand the question. So I'll read the question. Before reading the question, I'll read. A sells a bicycle to whom, students? A sells a bicycle to B. So A sells it to B. Then what does B do? Read the question. B sells it to C. B sells it to C. Right? So look here. It is not a direct question. It is a bit confusing. So listen. Look. A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of how much? At a profit of 20%. So A sells it to B. I'll write it like this. Profit is equals to 20%. Next, I'll write this profit top. Okay, A sells it to B at a profit of 20%. Next, B sells it to whom, students? See, at a profit or loss? Profit or loss? Profit of 25%. Look, profit is given in percentage. Remember this, it is not given in rupees, it is given in percentage. 5%. Then what's the third value given? What's the third one? If C, read. Yes, if C pays rupees. Okay, how much did C pay for the bicycle? Who has the bicycle now? Starting A at the bicycle. Now who has bicycle? C, right? Okay. How much did C pay? 3,780, right? To whom did C pay this 3,780? A or B? It is paid to B, right? So did B collect it from C? Didn't B collect C from C, right? How much did B collect from C? 3,750. So for C, what is 3,750, students? Is it cost price or selling price for C? It is cost price. But for B, what is 3,750? Very good. So you have to start from for B. Ignore C. Ignore C. We don't need. Always start from the reverse B. So for B, what is selling price? Selling price is 3,780. Very good. To whom is B selling it? B is selling it to C. And for what profit? For what gain or profit percent? See that profit percent. This entire calculation is for B. Remember, for B. Profit percent is 5. Selling price is given, profit is given. Can we find cost price for B? What is cost price formula? 100 divided by, if profit is given, 100 plus, yes, 100 plus 5 is 105. Into what is selling price? 3780. All of you understood this? Yeah, do this calculation. Draw the diagram above whatever I've drawn. Another 5 or 10 minutes. We'll continue. Read the question, students. Read it once again. A to B, B to C. So always start from B's point of view. Whoever is there in the middle, remember this point. Whoever is there in the middle, from there you have to start. So 3,870 is B's selling price. Use 213780. You can use 7 times table. Done. How many times it goes, students? 7 threes are 7 fives are 35, 540. 3 ones are 3. What's the cost price you all got? Oh, it should be 3,600. Check one. Yes. It should be 3,600, students, not 3,000. Didn't get the calculation part, right? Yes. Look at the screen, all of you. Still didn't complete? Nobody completed it? The students can respond. Alia, Amani, Andrea, Saima. look at this student. Okay, I'll calculate. Okay, let's be quick. 5, how many times 5 goes in 100? 20. In 105? 21. Then I'll use which timetable? 3 or 7? 7, how many times? 7? 3. And here, how many times it goes? 7 5s are 35, carry 2. 7 4s are 540, very good. Then 3, how many times 3 goes? 180 times. Then we have 20 into 180. See, there are two zeros, write it like this. How much is 2 into 18? 2 into 18 is 36. Is this clear? All of you understood till here? What is the cost price for C? What's the 3600? But they didn't ask that question. What have they asked students? What did A pay for it? What do you mean by that? Are they asking A's cost price or A's selling price? When you pay something, what is it? Is it cost price or selling price? When you pay something, cost price. So what are they basically telling us to find? Whose cost price they're asking us to find? A's. Very good. Now for A, let us calculate for A. You have to go in the reverse direction. For cost, what is the cost price for B students? What's the cost price for B? Okay, this is cost price for B, but B is paying this 3600 for whom? B is paying 3600 for whom? Who's there before B? Who's there before B? A, right? So what does 3600 become for A? Cost price or selling price? Very good. So what is A's selling price? Is this concept clear? Did you all understand? Just go in reverse order. Next, for A what is gain percent or loss percent? Look at the top one. Yeah, what is gain percent? 20. So from here, is it possible to find cost price? What's the formula, students? 100 divided by 100 plus 20 is 120 into 3600. All of you understood how to solve this question? Any doubts? Okay, just go in reverse order, students. Reverse order. So 3600 is what we found for B. B is paying 3600, but A is selling it for 3600. That's the difference. So it becomes selling price for A. Look here. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 12 ones are 12, 30 times. It goes 30. 30 into 100 is how much? 30 into 100 is 3. 3000. 3000. Yes. So this is the final answer. So A pays rupees 3000 for the bicycle. And A is bought it from other person. A is bought it from the shop. He is paid 3000 rupees 3000. Will you all try the next question for homework? All of you? Okay, completed. Last, we'll end the class. And tomorrow, 5 o'clock. See, from tomorrow onwards to the next week, I'll be connecting for 1.5 hours. From 5 to 6:30. Okay. From Monday to Friday, your class will be from 5 to 6:30 next week. And we'll do this. Along with this, we'll complete factorization. So at least 1, 2, 3 chapters will be done. 3 and unitary method 4. Completed. Yeah. Try the next one for homework, students. Look at fourth one. How many? All of you look at this. First complete. Done. Done with this. For A, selling price is 3,600. Gain 20 and calculate it. Okay, look at the next question. Raju sold the watch to whom? Raju sold it to Sonu, right? And Sonu sells it to whom? Sonu sells it to Manu. Yes. Raju sold it to Sonu. Sonu sold it to Manu. How many members are there? 3. Isn't it the same question? Instead of ABC, they've given 3 people's name, right? 3-person name. It's the same concept. Use the same concept. Try the 4th one for homework. Okay. Remaining, I'll make you all solve tomorrow. Fine. Is it clear, all of you? Log in at 5 o'clock tomorrow, students. Yeah, that's it for today. Y'all can leave. Whoever has completed can leave.